Welcome to Charleston Lake Provincial Park. So we're heading up now off the 401 up to Charleston Lake Provincial Park. We're about 10 minutes away, or 9-10 minutes away. We stopped once at Odessa en route, and while we're there we had a little mechanical failure, which I'll film later when we're at the park and show you what happened.
Fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back.
So we're just hanging out at the dog beach for a little bit. It's not the biggest dog beach. It's very nice though. It's kind of out of the way from the rest of the park, but not too far. So you can hang out with your dog and stay away from everyone else. It's not so dog friendly. Also they have picnic tables here, barbecues in case you know what, maybe you want to make your dog a hot dog while you're here. So here we're going to go on the Quantity Trail. It's 2.4 kilometers with a lookout.
No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
So tonight we're having for dinner, we're having steak, mashed potatoes, corn on the cob, mushrooms, and vegetarian burger for Monika. And fresh veggies, of course.
That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best. What's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright.
So we've just kayaked over to the side of the lake, and as you can see behind me, I'm not sure how well you can see it, there's the bridge from the 10-kilometer hike, and we've just come on this island, and now we've let the dogs go and we're kind of relaxing, maybe have a few snacks and rescue Casper. There goes Monika to the rescue. Rescuing Casper from the water.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
So it's Sunday morning and we're doing an unplanned trip to Gananaqua, or at least heading that way, looking for propane. All the checklists we have for everything, we never checked the propane, so we ran out of propane on the trailer. So we're heading out there now. Never even had breakfast, trying to get this done as quick as we can so we can get back up to camping and don't waste this nice sunny day, because I believe Monday it's gonna rain and we're here till Tuesday. So I'm gonna cheese out if you want. We're almost ready, Monika.
You have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best.
So we're heading on to the Shoreline Trail. It's 2 kilometers. I can't remember. I've been on this trail once before, and I can't remember if this is the one that kind of has the harder part at the end. I guess we'll figure it out.
What's best for you. For you. What is best for you. For you.
So we're partway through the Shoreline Trail. It's very hilly, lots of roots, but not too hard. So we're 2/3 of the way through the Shoreline Trail at Charleston Lake Provincial Park, and it's a very scenic trail and very well marked, and something a must do when you come to Charleston Lake. Here's an interesting site at Charleston, site number 358. So here I'm at the Shady Ridge beach. It is Sunday and it's late September, so as you can see it is dead. Nobody here. So we're just packing up to leave. On the way to the campsite, we pulled into a Odessa en route, and we heard a breaking, kind of a cracking noise or breaking noise, and we got out to look as we were pulling in, and we basically broke off the ball for the sway bar, which goes right here. Sheared it right off. 3 years of pulling this trailer, never had an issue. Try to get one for the ride home at Thousand Islands RV in Gananaqua. They didn't have any in stock, so I figured we're gonna go home without it, and ordered one on Amazon, and it should be in a couple days. So we'll be set for our next trip to Monaco.